We're finished writing our content. We just want to come up with a sticky, eye-catching headline that will help us stand out in all this noise. Let's hop in. I've got an article that I've created inside of Notion. This is really handy because with AI tools at the moment, you're context switching, jumping in and out of one tool into another tool, whereas in Notion, the whole process can be done. I've written the article here, and I've got a toggle with ideas for titles. I came up with all of the titles for 1 to 11, and I do like the ideas, but what's really cool is I just went slash and then I selected brainstorm ideas. If you look down here, these are all the ideas that the AI came up with. Overcoming editorial debt, a guide to cleaner content. It's not unbelievable, but it's far better than I was expecting. Editorial debt, the downside of content production. Strategies for breaking out of the content debt cycle. If you are tired, and creating content is nothing but tiresome, you've come to the end and you want assistance coming up with a really good headline, this is just ideal. So a really good step to add to your content production pipeline process would be, you could harness any AI tool, but use it to ideate titles at the very end.